So we will talk about Google Trends. Google Trends is basically a free tool provided by Google that allows user to track the popularity of a specific keywords, phrases, and topics over time. With Google Trends, you can see how often a specific search term is entered into Google, as well as how often it has been searched for over time. So let's check out. So first of all, you need to go to your browser and then search trends.google.com. Okay. So this is the interface of Google Trends. So one of the most useful features of Google Trends is the ability to compare. You can compare with the popularity of multiple search terms. For example, you can compare the popularity of two different products or brands. Like if you start to search, here have a search of items. This is the total interface you can see. So explore what the world is searching. Okay. So you will be able to compare, and it has a beautiful visual assistant. So let's talk about, like, we will search that how many people is searching right now about digital marketing. So you can write here digital marketing. Okay. So I can see that over past time it is showing Bangladesh past 12 months all categories website. So here have multiple things that you can search, like digital marketing, and you can search here, like you can compare here by searching graphic design. Okay, graphic design. So this is the over time how much people interested within digital marketing and graphic design, you can see in Bangladesh. But if you want to, here you can add more things like video editing. Okay, like this is video editing, and what you can search, like web design. Okay, so you can compare here up to 5 items, like last one, web development. Okay, suppose you can search other things as well, but right now I am searching these topics. So here we are searching different things, and you can see the chart interest over time. We can see, like, any country or worldwide comparison. You can search for worldwide comparison as well. So this can be helpful for business looking to track the popularity of their product or service, as well as for the individuals who are curious about how a specific topic has changed over time. You can see the change over time. Okay, like here have the past 12 months worldwide search comparison. But if you want more, you can see that past 4 hours, even past hour, even, and you can see past 5 years. Okay, you can search for past 5 years. So here you can see the ups and downs of this search items, how people were interested. You can even search from 2004 to present. Here have also custom time range, so it's up to you. So here have the categories, like in within which category you want to search. Like there have a lot of category as well, and here have web search, like We have seen this comparison is basically from web search. Like if you want to see image search, news search, or Google Shopping, you can also see the YouTube search. Okay, so this is the YouTube search. You can see the big difference. There is most of the people who are interested in for what? Video editing. Mostly in YouTube, people search for YouTube editing. Okay, so you can compare with multiple aspects that how much people are searching in a web on Google's or whatsoever, and how much people same item how much people is searching on YouTube. So, and another useful features of Google Trends is the ability to view data by location. You can see, I have already said it before, that you can search this by location. So this allows you to see how popular a specific search term in different region, like in different region, how much it is popular. Okay. For example, you can see how popular a specific product in the United States compared to Europe. Like we have seen that here have worldwide. Now you can also see how much it is popular in Afghanistan. And here you go. This is the Afghanistan situation, how mess it is. Okay. So this is the ups and downs. So if you compare with it, like if you go to any Australia, like what is the condition of Australia? YouTube search. So here you can see that most of the people in Australia is searching for what? Digital marketing. Okay. This is the level for past 5 years. Digital marketing goes high for maybe some reasons. If you go for 7 days, okay, let's see what is 7 days. This is the 7 day scenario in the Australia. Okay. So if we go down here, you will see that compared breakdown by sub-region. You will see that in different region or in different city within a specific country, how much they are searching for. So here you can see that interest for digital marketing. Victoria, Queensland, Tasmania, New South Wales. And here you see the ratio of their search. Okay, so it is very, very useful. One should not miss these things. Like you can see also related queries. It will show you the related keywords as well. Like go to 12 months. I hope it will show more. Like here you can see that it will give you the related keywords as well. SEO marketing, would get realty, digital marketing agency, digital marketing course. So these are the popular items within their search. Okay, so here is a graphic design. You can see the sub-region categorically. Okay, city, you can choose city as well. That which city has the largest demand for these specific things. Okay, so here is the related queries, just graphic design course. So this is how people are searching. If you go to the video editing sub-region, so you can see city, like which place it is very demandable. And here you can see related queries. So we are now at YouTube item, like we can see web search. It will be more useful, I think. So web search related queries is very, very vast, I think, rather than YouTube. So here you can see that what people are searching for and related queries, keywords. So this is about web development, search with cities, and this is the city where mostly people are interested in web development. So what people search about web design, Sydney website. So these are the issues. So this is very useful, I think, you can use. So thus Google Trends is a powerful and useful tool for tracking the popularity of a specific keywords you have seen already, phrases and topic over time. Whether you are a business looking to track the popularity of your product or service, or an individual, you can use these all things and you can compare. And this is amazing tool. Like you can see when the market goes down, when the market goes up, when the people's demand is very high, and when it's go down for many years. Or you can search for one week or 1 month or 3 months or 5 years, or from 2004 to present, and even you can customize the time. So there have a lot of options. Hope you enjoyed the video, and this is all about from Google Trends. Thank you for watching.